video tutorial on how to remove Internet Explorer 10 from your Windows 7 computer. If you are a Windows XP Pro user, a ChromeBook user, or a Mac user, this video will not pertain to you. If you are a Montrose Olathe staff member or a Montrose Olathe member of the community and you have experienced issues with accessing Infinite Campus or iVisions, the common problem has been Internet Explorer 10 being installed on the computer system used to access those programs. The first step is to confirm that you are a Windows 7 user. To do that, on your computer, go down to the left-hand corner of your screen and select Start. And if you're an XP Pro user, your screen is going to look a little bit different, but the process is the same. Come up to Computer, right-click, come down to Properties, and left-click. If you see Windows 7 Pro as the addition or the logo of Windows 7, then you will need to continue watching the video. If you are Windows XP Pro, you may stop at this point. You do not have to continue any further. Any issues that you have experienced with those programs are not relative to Internet Explorer 10. The next step is to confirm which version of Internet Explorer you are using on your computer system. So launch your browser, and you may do that by coming down to the Start icon, go to All Programs, and select Internet Explorer. That will launch you to your home page on the web. At the top right-hand corner, as a Windows 7 user, you have what looks like a gear or wheel called Tools. You click on Tools, and you'll get a drop-down menu. Slide down to the bottom and click on About Internet Explorer. If you see Internet Explorer 10 in the window, you need to continue watching this video and learn how to remove Internet Explorer 10. If you see Internet Explorer 9, you are good to go. The issues you are experiencing with Infinite Campus or as a staff member, iVisions, will not be relative to the browser. You've got something else going on. So if you do see Internet Explorer 10, the next step is to go ahead and start removing it. Before we go any further, we need to confirm that you are an administrator on the account once we have made the decision to remove Internet Explorer 10. So as a staff member, you need to get the local administrative account login from either the IT department or from a co-associate. So you'll have to log out of your user account and then log in as an administrator. If you are a member of the greater community of Montrose Olathe, you need to confirm that you are an administrator logged into the account at that time before you try this process. If you are not an administrator, you will get blocked and will not be able to complete the uninstall. If you have a check mark in this window where it says install new versions automatically, if there's a check mark there, we're going to remove that check mark. We don't want this option selected. So remove the check mark, and it's going to ask you to confirm that you indeed want to do that. Say yes. Then you may close that window. You may now close your browser, and you don't want to have any browsing sessions open with Internet Explorer at this point. And now we're going to remove Internet Explorer 10. Logged in as an administrator on the computer, go to Start, access the control panel. First column, left-hand side of your screen, last option is Programs. And we want to click on Uninstall a Program. From this list, on the left side of your screen in the task pane, select View Installed Updates. Right-hand top section of your screen, we're going to use the search box to search for Internet Explorer 10 so that we can remove that program. Click inside the box, type in the word Internet. You will see Windows Internet Explorer 10 appear in this program list if you have Internet Explorer 10 installed on your computer. If you don't, you do not need to continue with this process. We'll click on Internet Explorer 10 and select Uninstall at the top of that column. It will ask you to confirm that you want to remove Internet Explorer 10. Say yes. give it a couple of minutes to do the uninstall. It is at this point that if you are not an administrator on that computer, you will not be able to complete the uninstall. You will get blocked. So you need to confirm you are indeed an administrator. And if you're staff of Montrose Olathe School District, you can get that administrative code. If you're a member of the greater community, you just need to find out who has the administrative code on that account, and then you can complete this process. We want to select Restart Now at the prompt. This is going to complete the uninstall of Internet Explorer 10. And when the system reboots, it will automatically revert to Internet Explorer 9, which is the preferred Internet Explorer browser to use when accessing Infinite Campus as a member of the Montrose Olathe community or as a staff member of Montrose Olathe School District. Once the system has completely restarted, you may log in with your user account. You do not have to log in as an administrator again. And we're just going to go ahead and at this point we want to confirm that you have completed the uninstall of Internet Explorer 10. So we're going to launch the browser. And once this browsing session accesses the internet and you go to your home page, we want to go ahead and access Tools again, select About Internet Explorer, and confirm that you are now on Internet Explorer 9. Once you see this confirmation, you have the correct browser. This browser will is compatible with Infinite Campus, and if you're a staff person of the district, it's also compatible with iVisions. That is how you remove Internet Explorer 10. I'm hopeful that this video will guide you step by step. It allows you the opportunity to rewind, fast forward, pause, play as many times as you need. Thank you for watching.